like Saudi Arabia in its pursuits to diversify its economic base. One of the most important sources of energy to look at is solar energy. This is the most natural approach. Solar energy will be the energy source of Saudi Arabia for centuries to come. And Saudi Arabia will be called someday is Saudi Arabia of solar energy. Just today it is called Saudi Arabia base of oil. So along this line, Aramco has again aggressively moved into. The advantage of Saudi Arabia is that it's one of the highest irradiation level, as you know. You need sunlight, you need land, and you need sand. We have plenty of that. And so these are some competitive advantage that we have as a kingdom to move on with the solar energy. And we have many initiatives that are in the pipeline. They're not necessarily IP specific because technology is out there. We have to make sure we can be competitive. So often we will not necessarily do research in a given area unless it's needed. We'll go ahead and buy or leverage and collaborate with others as needed. And so we have many initiatives in the solar energy, in the renewable wind energy, geothermal, unconventional gas, which I will not be talking about. But I just want to let you know that we are deeply present in those areas. And this is an example from Barstow, California. That was when I was part of the Department of Energy. There's a big initiative about power towers. And as I closing my remark, this is a picture from my office. This is a parking lot that I can see from the tower building from my office. This is one of the world's largest parking lot that is generating solar energy. What the goal is ultimately is that moving towards creation of knowledge economy on energy, like other energy clusters of the world, like Texas, Houston, Texas, that Saudi Aramco will become an energy cluster in the world, so providing energy goods and services. And Dhahran Techno Valley is an example. It has quite a few companies that are already present, and I am collaborating with KFUPM and then that Entrepreneurship Center to make sure that that happens with the support of Saudi Aramco. We're growing rapidly, aligned with the vision and the challenges of the kingdom. So in the past, we used to be technology buyer. Now we have become technology leader, certainly in the oil and gas. And in the future, what we intend to be is technology innovator. So basically, we're going to move away from low-cost, resource-based economy, compete on developing new and unique products. Saudi Aramco strive to lead kingdom's economic diversification so that we can transform from an inherited to created prosperity. Inherited means based on production, refining, to created prosperity when we actually manufacture and supply and fabricate and create wealth for the kingdom, while at the same time supply energy to the world. And in conclusion, I just want to highlight that, as one of our CEO have said, that as we supply the energy to the world, we create happiness for the world. So Saudi Aramco is happiness creator for the world, and I'm very happy that you all showed up and listened to my talk. Thank you so much. Shukran.